This is my clothes. Just collected it from the laundry guy. That was yesterday, right? And I kind of asked the guy that how much does he make like in a day, and he said roughly he makes 4 to 5 thousand naira in a day, right? Because he also has like boys that help him wash. Because each set, right, each set of clothes is 200 naira he collects like to wash the set of clothes. In this video, we're going to talk about three business ideas that you can start with a minimum of 50,000 naira downwards, right? Like 50,000 naira downwards, right? So just calm down. Some will not reach 50,000, like, but just 50,000 naira downwards, right? That is very, very little capital that you can start with. Now, if you're here for the first time, my name is Victor, and I make videos around business, entrepreneurship, and mindset shifts, right? And also affiliate marketing, just business. Anything that has to do with making money on the internet and offline and stuff. If you're interested in that, just subscribe to the channel and like the video, right? So the first business in my list, right? Tutoring, right? Teaching, tutoring. A lot of people underestimate the power of tutoring, but the most important thing in life is to teach, right? That is very, very important because our forefathers, the generation before us, right, learned certain things and then they passed it down to us, and we're able to use that information, right, and then advance it, and we're going to leave informations for our next generation. So teaching is the most important thing in life, right? So your ability to teach people can make you a lot of money, right? So you just have to sit down and calm and think about it, right? How do you then start to teach? You start to teach people things that are relevant and are very, very important, right? So how do you do that? So you ask yourself this question, calm down and ask yourself this question. What is it that you think you know, or what is it that you know, right, that you think other people should know too, right? Don't assume that people know things. Don't ever assume that people know things. Like there are things that you watching this video, you know, right, that I don't know, right, and you can teach me and I can learn, right? So now the money that I'll pay you is the price I will have to pay to get you to teach me. You understand? So just understanding that you're going to add more things to this world and teach someone else, right, and then that person has to pay the price, that is the money that you're going to put, right, is like a blessing to you, right? So that is how you make money. Like, don't look at making money as this thing that has to do with so much seriousness to it. Just look at it in such a way that what can you as a person add, and then the world will pay the price to get you to give it what you have, right? The Bible says a worker is what his wage, right? So you have to really sit down and think about it this way. So tutoring, right? So tutoring can be anywhere. It could be online, it could be offline, visual and understand. It could be offline, it could be online, right? So let's say for instance you want to be like a lesson teacher to teach people. You have to now sit down and ask yourself, okay, how do you do that, right? You have to now start going to, let's say, maybe houses and knocking on their doors, and then like giving them maybe a flyer, or like explaining that this is what you can do, and showing them your degree, showing them like a level of credibility, right? Just show them something of credibility so they can understand that, okay, this guy knows what he's doing, this guy knows what he's saying, right? This guy knows what he's saying, right? So that it's easy for them to employ you, right? So that is one thing. The second kind of teaching you can do is online tutoring, right? You can create courses online, you understand, of things you know, things that are valuable. Now, see, you have to really understand this thing. Don't teach people things that you just want to teach them, just because you want to, you feel that you know something about it, and you want to teach people because you feel like, no. Look at the things that people need, right, to know so that they can advance their life. That is what you should teach them, right? For instance, now I want to teach people how to fold this paper into like a plane, right? Like, bro, it's how relevant is teaching people how to fold this into like a paper. You understand? How does it affect or impact their life? So I want you to understand, when you want to teach people things, look at it in such a way that if they learn these things, it's going to impact their life, right? It's going to impact their life. So something like me, I teach a lot of digital skills like graphic design, like video editing, like content creation. These are things that can advance people's life, right? So you have to think about it when you want to teach, right? What are things that if I teach is going to advance people's life, right? Now, so you can literally go to ChatGPT and then type ChatGPT, or just type like, list me 10 things that I can teach people that is going to add value to their life, right? List me 10 online skills that I can teach people that is going to add value to their life. Then you're going to see it's going to list you all of them, right? Whether offline or online, I told you, right? So if, let's say, there's a skill you have, right? Let's say you're good with shoemaking, right? And it's a skill and you want to teach people online. How do you teach people online shoemaking? You can literally record videos in showing people, right? You can literally write book, right? You can write book and then snap certain parts of let's say sandals or materials, like different kinds of materials, and why these materials should be used in this kind of shoes with this type of shoes, what kind of tools should be used in piercing. Educate people. Like, your years of experience is the advantage you have to educate people, right? I'm just trying to make you understand that you can be flexible with this. I'm just using an example of shoemaking. Like, I don't know what you watching this video now is good at, right? But if you're not good at something, like, just go to internet and then search what are the things I can teach people. Now, if the internet is giving you all of these things and you don't know how to teach people with them, you can now do this thing. You can now look for people that are good at this thing. You can go to like the internet, search, let's say, graphic designers, right? And it's going to give you a chunk of graphic design. Chat this graphic designer up, tell them that I have like a business offer. I want you to teach people certain things, and I'm going to introduce it to people, and I'm going to put a price on it, right? So just organize the thing in such a way that you're giving value. You understand? So tutoring, teaching is one thing you can utilize to make money online, offline, right? That's the first business model. Now the second business model. Second business model is laundry, right? If you have 50,000 naira, you can start laundry service. Like, I don't know, a lot of people like to live this kind of fake and suffering life, and they don't want to do certain things because it sounds somehow, right? Please don't be among those kind of people. You have to be specific to what you want in life. If you want to make money, you have to do the things that needs to be done to make money. You cannot be choosing what you feel like doing. Like, I don't feel like washing people's clothes. I don't feel like cleaning people's houses and stuff. Like, it's crazy to me. If that is what is available for you and that's what you can utilize, do it, right? Just do it, since that's what you want. Like, you want to make the money, it's the money you're after, and you just give the service for some time. You're not going to be a laundry man forever, right? So laundry is one of the things. Like I said, I asked this my laundry guy, how much do you make in a day? He says 4,000. Let's do the calculation now. You guys think that this thing is a joke? 4,000 times 7 days is 28,000 naira, right? Now 28,000 naira times 4 weeks is 112,000. 112,000 by just laundry service, right? It costs you nothing to like wash clothes, and it's not as if you're washing children's clothes, you're washing like adult clothes. Like, you can be specific with the kind of people that you want to be washing their clothes, right? And pressing it, and you can do this in your house. One of the beautiful thing about laundry is that it doesn't require so much startup capital. Like, that's why I say it's 50,000 downwards, right? And it doesn't require up-running cost, a lot of up-running cost. It doesn't require so much headache, right? You wash people's clothes, you dry it, you iron it, keep it, and then you take it to them, or they come and take it from you, right? The only thing that is a running cost is the detergent you buy, and then your inputs, like your energy, right? Your manpower used to wash. And you can take this further and get yourself even a washing machine, but that's later. But you get what I mean, right? You get what I mean. Like, this is a business idea that you can, like, it's mind-blowing that some people just find it so hard to start, but please don't be like other people. If you want to make money, these are business ideas that you. If you don't want this, you can listen to the last business idea. Now, the last business ideas is selling chops, right? Or snacks, or drink snacks, shakes. You understand all of these things. Like, when I was in part 3, I had a girlfriend, and I kind of brought an idea with my girlfriend. I told her she should make sobo, right, from her hostel and take it to the farm, because I'm an agri student, right? So we normally go to farm, right? In part 4, rather, not part 3, in part 4. So we go to farm, right? So we have a lot of students that are in farm, and there's no access to certain things to like eat and drink and stuff. So I gave her the idea, but unfortunately she didn't take it serious, and she broke up with me. Maybe it's because of the idea. Maybe she disrespects the fact that her boyfriend is telling her to sell sobo. I don't know, but sobo is just a drink like made with a leaf, right? I'm going to put it on the like made with this leaf, right? So we make it in Nigeria, right? If you're not in Nigeria watching this video, these are little snacks. You can make snacks. You can make chin chin. There's this chin chin I just bought. This is the pack. I literally just bought this. I finished it like from a girl, and she was selling it in church, 2,500 naira, right? And I bought it. I've just finished it. Let me show you the. This is the same product again. I bought it yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. I bought it yesterday. This is just peanuts, right? Same girl, Roots is her name. You can see Roots Foods and what long. So you can see it here. It's just peanuts, right? It's just peanuts. You can see. So snacks, right? And the funny thing is that, or the beautiful thing with Lysa is that she took it to church. and she made sales. Her product was sold out because she took it to church, right? If you're a Muslim, you can take it to mosques, like take it to class. If you're a student, right, take it to the market. If you're a worker, you can make snacks and take it to shops, right, that you buy things from, and then negotiate with the people, the shop owners, that you're going to be dropping these snacks there, and they're going to buy. I don't In my area, there's a lot of shops and people don't even utilize these things. I don't even understand how people do things, right? And it doesn't cost so much to make this. It doesn't cost so much, right? You can partner with people, maybe partner with your sisters if you have, or maybe with your girlfriend. Just pray your girlfriend doesn't break up with you like mine. But partner with people if you don't know how to do it, right? You can bring in the money and then partner with them, let them do it. Then you now take it out there, right? Do it small, like you understand, quantity, then test the market, look at places that people are working there but there are no snacks there, so just take it there and keep, you understand, and that is how it is. So these are 3 business ideas you can start. One, I told you, online tutoring or tutoring. It's not necessarily online, like tutoring, just teach people anything. You can be a lesson teacher, you can be a coach, like just teach people things, right? Teaching is the most important thing in this world. Second, I said, is laundry service. I just showed you the clothes and how much, like, the laundry guy is making, right? Like he said, wait, 4,000 he said he was making was even, let's say, in a bad day, right? It was in a bad day. That's what he said. In a bad day. I think I'll make an interview with him and maybe post in this channel so you guys should understand. I'm really going to take it hard to really help people understand how they can start business and make money offline and online. I'll try to push this particular series on business ideas, right, and see how it goes. So if you got value from this video, please like the video, share it with friends, right, and subscribe to the channel, right? See you in the next one. And don't forget to join my channel, my WhatsApp channel. Join my WhatsApp channel. That's where I'm going to be posting valuable things, right, and I'm going to be updating you